Cardano ADA, best buy opportunity or time to sell? Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel, and I'm seeing lots of comments saying Cardano has already pumped thousands of percents. It's done now. Move to other coins. Cardano's not going to pump anymore. It's going to go sideways or going to start going down. And guys, in this video, I'll say why I think that is wrong, and I think Cardano will have another rally. I'll be sharing with you exactly how we've traded Cardano and share with you my point of view on investing, best time to buy, best time to sell, and share with you exactly how we've been trading Cardano in the Rockstar Trading Group, posting exactly when I'm taking profit, when I'm looking to buy. And also, guys, we'll be looking at previous videos where I talked about how we've traded the breakout out of $1. In the YouTube videos, guys, I posted exactly the level I was going to buy, where my stop loss was going to be. This was posted, as you can see, earlier in the February. Then I posted two videos when Cardano was actually breaking out. I believe it was these two videos. I posted it straight after. Again, go watch those videos. I shared exactly the top two reasons, and these two videos I posted when it was breaking out. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Lots of people, in social media still don't know about cryptocurrency, and bigger platforms don't share our videos. So make sure you hit that like button and share these videos with everyone. If you are interested in finding out exactly how we're trading with stops and entries and targets in the YouTube videos, I can't update all the time. If you are interested, I'll leave the links below. There's a special offer to trial us for a month. This offers for this month. If you are interested, I'll leave the links below, because if cryptocurrency, ADA and Bitcoin and other currencies keep on pumping, I think this is one of the best opportunities we've seen in trading since back in 2017. So make sure you have a strategy and take advantage of it. Now let's get into the video. I'll touch on some news and share the exact strategy that I'm looking to buy more Cardano. But let's quickly review what Cardano has done. Last year, guys, Cardano broke out since the Shelly mainnet launch, and I've been trading Cardano since then. This was my first target where I sold, and you can see Cardano had a big sell-off since this target. It dumped about 40%. Since then, guys, once Cardano broke out of 50 cent, I went really aggressive in Cardano. First target was there, and then the holy grail $1. People called me crazy for making Cardano $1 predictions. Again, I don't mean it will hit $1 overnight. It's taken its time, but look at that. Since it bottomed out at end of 2018, Cardano has hit $1 after over a couple of years, and this is a really big milestone for myself, trading Cardano from then. And then, guys, after the $1 break, it consolidated here. And again, that was my strategy that I shared again before it broke out. So don't say it was after the fact. I had a circle when I was going to look to go long. And once it broke out of $1, that was my entry towards 150. I posted exactly when I took profit in 150. So that's great, Rocco. You've made money. People in the Rockstar Trading Group made money. But what now? So now, guys, as long as Cardano stays above $1, I'm bullish on Cardano. And in my opinion, guys, I think Cardano heads towards that $220 to $240 next. So that's where I'll be looking to take profit. And the way I trade is, guys, I don't care about just buying the bottom and making 1000x 10x gains and sell. I look to get in and out, and I'll keep adding to my positions. I bought some here. So let's say I bought 10,000 Cardano here. I'll sell 5,000 here, another 4,000 here, and hold that 2,000 Cardano. And then once it breaks out again, I'll look to buy some more. It's just an example. If you have more capital trading 100,000 Cardano, take half off, look to buy on pullbacks, and keep growing your capital. And Cardano, like I said, has been the best fundamental and pumpamental coin, if you want to call it. It's got so much hype, and I really think Cardano will have another rally. So before I share with you my setup to buy more Cardano, let's have a couple of look at news. So one of the things I personally like, again, we love talking about the price, but what Cardano is trying to do with decentralization and finally bringing smart contracts is big news. And if you study this, again, what Cardano developers is trying to do with automatic readjustment process, which reduces the parameter that governs what percentage of transactions are processed by Genesis nodes, and it's trying to increase the community block production every 5 days, and it's helping getting decentralization, and that's what we want. We want speed, decentralization, and security, and Cardano and Charles Hodgkinson is delivering that in the background. This is what we love to see. And finally, this is the biggest news for me. Smart contracts are coming to Cardano. Alonzo testnet will finally allow developers to deploy their own decentralized applications on Cardano. This is huge news for me. It's coming on Cardano by end of April, and people that are actually smarter than me in blockchain and cryptography, they say this is the news that they've been waiting for. This news will help Cardano in the DeFi sector as well, and there's lots of people that trying to make progress in DeFi sector. If Cardano can have that decentralization and security, there's lots of people trying to use Cardano from other blockchains. I think more people will come to Cardano, especially if they can actually deliver that security, decentralization, and now what we're seeing with smart contracts. So this is a huge news that I've been waiting for. Another news is NFT. This news I'm not too hugely excited about. Again, this is still big because NFTs, the hype in 2021, this is what's pumping, and Cardano trying to get into the NFT platforms helps the price, but again, they're not the leaders. I think there's lots of other currencies that are leaders, but I just love that Cardano is getting involved in it, and the Charles Hodgkinson is showing how versatile he is and happy to change and help adoption and usability. So that's another positive news. But my favorite news is Cardano, and these are the news that makes me think Cardano will rally again. So let's talk about the title of the video is the best buy opportunity. So people were saying 20k is Bitcoin's top, and its previous highs Bitcoin's going to dump from there. Look at what Bitcoin did at 20k, consolidated, and this is I took a really big position in Bitcoin from a trading point of view, and this has rallied over 2x, and I'm not saying Cardano will do exactly the same, but I'm not getting bearish. If it starts trend changing below $1, I'll be bearish, but for now I really like what Cardano is doing. Another thing I'll be watching is Cardano BTC to break out. ADA BTC is consolidating now. It's holding above the weekly moving average and trying above the daily moving average. It's not trending yet. Again, when Cardano BTC starts trending higher and the ADA setup, which I'm going to share with you now, happens, I'm going to look to buy more Cardano. Again, I'm not saying all my calls are going to work. Trading is about trading risk, and I might make a mistake. Please go watch all my previous videos. Again, Cardano calls have been great, especially this trade. I put in a lot of capital when it was breaking out above there, but again, I'm going to try again. If it starts spiking, breaking down, I'll look to exit. But I think with all that news, if Cardano starts breaking out in April, towards end of April, I think it will rally towards my target. So what am I looking for to buy in Cardano? I want ADA BTC to start breaking out and Cardano price to start breaking out above 150, similar to there, and I'll look for a pullback entry. Make sure you have a strategy. You can learn ours. There's a special offer that you can try out for us to trial us out, whether you follow our strategy or someone else's. Make sure you have a strategy, guys. If you don't have strategies, when to take profit, when to sell, I knew loads of people in Cardano, especially Litecoin story, that got in Cardano really early, didn't sell, and had an 80%, 90% dump. In bull market, there's always going to be huge moves and huge moves down. Make sure you take profit as it's going up. And from the comment sections, I really, I really appreciate the thankful comments I've received on, people making lots of money on Cardano, on Theta, and I carry on providing free content on YouTube. If you are interested in taking your trade to the next level, you can check our group out. But again, I appreciate all my YouTube subscribers as well. That's what I'm looking for now, guys. If Cardano starts breaking out above there, all the other things set up. Again, I've set my alert. I'll post in the group when it's breaking out. As long as it's in my as long as I'm not sleeping, I'll post it. But I'm really excited for Cardano, and I think towards in the next few weeks, I think Cardano would have another rally, and I really wanted to stay above $1. Unlike other YouTube channels that will say Cardano to $10, Cardano keep going up, I'll actually share with you what I don't want Cardano to do. If Cardano starts breaking up below $1, I'll wait for it to trend change and potentially getting cheaper, but I do think Cardano will have another rally. So is it the best buy opportunity? Best buy opportunity is when it's bottoming out. Loads of new people are joining the group, loads of new people are joining my group, and joining cryptocurrency. They want to get in when things are pumping. I think we're in somewhere here. I think Cardano will have another rally, but the best buy opportunities are here. I can't wait for another big dip and educate myself more, getting those really cheap coins that like I did with DOT, like I did with Theta. They're all in my YouTube videos, guys. I'm not sharing with you the post groups in my Rockstar trading group. They're all in the videos. So the best is it the best buy opportunities? No. Is it time to sell? No. I think it will have another rally, and I've shared exactly how I'll trade it. You could look to buy some now with wider stop loss as long as it's holding above $1. If you are more, you can trade more. You can look to have alert set and look to trade with a strategy above there. So that's my thoughts on the video, guys. Again, I don't think it's time to sell. I could be wrong, but as long as it's above there, I think Cardano heads towards there, and I look to trade that. Best buy opportunities is usually an end of bear market when you start breaking out, but not many people are interested in Cardano. They get interested when things are pumping. More people want to buy Cardano at $1 than they wanted to buy at 10 cents, and that's just human psychology. We've seen it happen over and over again, and I'm sure in 3-4 years time after a bear market it will happen again. So make sure you educate yourself and profit from this market and profit in the long time as well. This is when you can make life-changing money. So thank you very much. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. If you are interested in taking your trading to the next level, there's a special offer. I'll leave the links below for you to check us out. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. Comment below your thoughts on Cardano. Do you think Cardano will have another breakout towards $2-3? What is your end of year Cardano prediction, and what's your thoughts on Cardano and Charles Hodgkinson? Comment below and let's have a discussion. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.